塔里头放着除了60班禅的一些遗物，还放了乾隆皇帝给60班禅的许多的东西，纪念为国家统一、为国家强盛、为各民族之间的团结做出了重大贡献的这个60班禅。
From early to mid-Qin dynasty, the central government incrementally strengthened its governance of Xizang, with the frequent exchange between the 6th Panchen Lama and Emperor Qianlong. In the 44th year of Emperor Qianlong's reign, the 6th Panchen Lama departed from Tashi Lunpo Monastery for Beijing. Emperor Qianlong greeted him in the Xizang language and bestowed him a jade decree and seal. The Zongjing Dazhao temple was also built at the Fragrant Hills, providing him with a summer retreat. Unfortunately, the 6th Panchen Lama fell ill with a high fever due to smallpox. Emperor Qianlong sent an imperial physician to treat him and personally offered prayers for his recovery. On lunar November 2, 1780, the 6th Panchen Lama passed away in Shihuan Temple. Emperor Qianlong felt so sad that he suspended court proceedings for one day to mourn. In tribute to the 6th Panchen Lama's profound contribution to the country and the Xizang Buddhism, Emperor Qianlong ordered the construction of Qingjing Huaqing Pagoda where the 6th Panchen Lama's belongings were buried. He also personally wrote the record of Qingjing Huaqing Pagoda to show his feelings for the 6th Panchen Lama. The 6th Panchen Lama's visit to Beijing also signified a tremendous contribution towards national unity and ethnic integration.